Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and today I want to talk to you all about 3 things that you should do for your family before you pass away. Now, talking about death and passing away, I know a lot of people feel uncomfortable talking about. But if you have a family, if you have a spouse, you have children, it is extremely important that you really consider what is going to happen to them if you were to pass. And so this video, I'm going to talk to you about just 3 things that you should be doing for them before you pass away. So, the first thing is writing a will. You want to make sure that your assets are distributed to your nominated beneficiaries, and a valid will is the way to do that. Without a valid will, the government and legislation decides how your assets are going to be distributed. So when you're writing a will, you need to consider who is going to be the executor of your will, who's going to manage all your assets and make sure that they're distributed according to your wishes. You need to consider guardians for your kids. If you have minor children, who's going to look after them if both of you were to pass away? You know, the other things as well is if you have minor kids, when do you want your assets to be paid to them? So all these things need to be considered when you're writing a will. And that's why you need to sit with a solicitor to go through all these options with you. Strongly suggest you sit with an estate planning solicitor because they will provide you with the right advice when it comes to writing a will. So that's the first thing that you should do, is write a will. The second thing that you should do is get life insurance. You know, if you have debts, if you have mortgages, if you have personal loans, credit card debts, life insurance will ensure that those debts are paid off if you were to pass away. What you don't want is you don't want to leave a financial burden to your surviving spouse and children. So as a financial advisor, I talk to my clients about life insurance because this ensures that the surviving spouse and kids are not left in a financial position that they're forced to sell to sell the family home, or forced to do things that they don't want to do. Life insurance will prevent this. You can also nominate a lump sum on top of your debts, just so that your spouse and your kids can live the comfortable lifestyle that they're used to. So these are things that you need to consider when it comes to life insurance, and a financial advisor can definitely help you obtain the right amount of cover. So that's the second thing you should do, is get life insurance. And the final thing that you should do for your family before you pass away is ensure that you have a valid binding nomination on your super. You see, superannuation is an asset that's not a part of your estate. So you need a valid nomination on your super. A lot of people that I sit with, their nominations are invalid, or they don't have a nomination at all. And then if you don't have a nomination, the trustee of your super fund determines where your super is going to be paid, or who your super is going to be paid to. So ensure that you have a valid binding nomination on your super. So, there are 3 things that you should do for your family before you pass away. Number 1 is write a will. Number 2, get life insurance. And finally, number 3 is ensure you have a valid binding nomination on your super. That's it from me. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear your comments below. If you have any topics that you'd like me to talk about, I'd love for you to write them as well, and I'll definitely talk about those topics in future videos. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.